If you've been looking for an affordable home in Cameron Park, then this one's for you. This is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath home with a gorgeous covered patio in an ideal commute location close to Highway 50. And this is the very best value for money 5-bedroom home on the market in Cameron Park today. So let's take a look at 2805 Alhambra Drive. Now I'm a sucker for a formal entryway, and this one is beautifully done and draws us right into the gorgeous living room. Take a look at this light, bright, and open living room, complete with beautiful laminate flooring, an accent wall, and a gas fireplace feature. There's even hidden storage behind the TV. This room also gives you access to the gorgeous covered patio and yard. More on that later. Now here in the living room is a great place to talk about the specs of this house. This is a 5-bedroom, 3 full bathroom home with 1,858 square feet, sitting on 0.33 of an acre here in Cameron Park, close to Highway 50 for you commuters watching. Now offered at under $625,000, this is an incredible value for money for a 5-bedroom home in Cameron Park. Next up, we're going to take a look at the kitchen. Here we are in the kitchen with loads of counter space and loads of storage and a great open layout that looks out into the eat-in area and the gorgeous living room. Now this is a space in this home where you can put your own stamp on it and infuse your own style into the home. Now let's go down the hall and take a look at the remodeled bedrooms and bathrooms. Throughout the hall and the rest of the floor plan, they've carried this beautiful laminate flooring. On my right are going to be bedrooms 1 and 2 of 5 that are ideal for kids' bedrooms with vaulted ceilings. But behind me is one of the stars of the show, this gorgeous remodeled bathroom. Now this bathroom is bathroom 1 of 3, all 3 of them full bathrooms. This one complete with gorgeous tile work, this incredible walk-in shower behind me, and dual sinks for the kids to get ready in the morning. It doesn't get any better than this. Now, on to more bedrooms. Further down the hallway here, we have another ideal bedroom for kids and another full bathroom with more to come. But with this many bedrooms, having 3 full bathrooms is an ideal feature for a family home, making those hectic mornings and getting ready for bedtime routines that much easier with space for the whole family to get ready at once. Now this room at the end of the hall is ideal for a home office or workout room, and let's face it, even if you don't have a big family, having this many bedrooms gives you the opportunity to have 2 fully independent home offices. With so many families having 2 people working from home, this is a great feature to have. Now on to the star of the show, the primary suite. Check out this gorgeous primary suite with an accent wall, room for a king-size bed, and all the bedroom furniture you could want, plus an ensuite bath for mom and dad. What more could you ask for to relax at the end of the day? Now let's go check out the yard and talk about why this floor plan is so ideal for a family. If you live in or are moving to the foothills, then you probably love your outdoor living, and it doesn't get any better than this. Check out this gorgeous stamped concrete covered patio to enjoy a drink at the end of the day. Now let's check out the rest of the yard. Check out the terraced yard behind me. It's an ideal space for gardening or for the kids to play. Not to mention this great side yard area complete with 2 large garden sheds and a dog run area behind that's ideal for the family pets. Here in the yard is a great place to talk about why this is such an ideal family home. Look, the key here is flexibility. I grew up in a family with 5 boys, grandparents, and parents living in the home as well. We also had a 5-bedroom, 3-bath home, and that gave us incredible flexibility for when my grandmother needed to move in or when my adult brothers needed to move home. With so many families now turning back to intergenerational living, this home gives you the ability to do that, where most homes can't. They don't have enough room or enough bedrooms to make it happen, which makes this home a standout value in Cameron Park. All right, that wraps up our tour of 2805 Alhambra Drive here in Cameron Park. And I hope you see now why I think this is the very best value for money 5-bedroom home on the market. Now, if you'd like a private showing, feel free to reach out to me via the contact information on your screen or in the description down below. If you made it this far with me, hit the like button, click subscribe, and hit that little bell icon so you don't miss a future video that just might have your dream home in it. In the meantime, I'll see you here at Alhambra Drive or in the next video. Thanks for watching.